mga ka-Libra. Okay, Libra. Ano nga ba ang reading mo para sa buong taon na ito, sa nahuhuling 2 buwan ng taong 2025? So, Libra. Okay, ano nga bang manggaganap sa buhay mo, Libra? Wow, justice. I like that power. Justice. Agad-agad justice? Ano yung justice na yan? Wow, Six of Pentacles. Parang nakakatuwa naman, Libra. Judgment. May justice, tapos may judgment. Tapos look at the Six of Pentacles. May hawak din siyang see the synchronicity? Siguro, Libra, ano to? The Hangman in reverse. Okay, in reverse to ha. Kasi ang Hangman talaga nakaganyan. Nakabaliktad siya. Ngayon, ganyan na siya. So, in reverse ang Hangman, which is also good. Okay? Okay, so paano to? Okay, Libra. Ang reading mo, Libra, is so good. So good. Okay, bakit? Kung ano man ang pinagdadaanan mo in a justice way, kung meron ka mang trial, or let's say meron kang kaso na hinahawakan, or napabilang ka doon, mananalo ka. At kung any legal agreement, legal property man yan, or case, there will be justice. Makukuha mo yung dapat para sa'yo. At ikaw mananalo doon. And at the same time, if you would see, mayroon din siyang timbangan dito. Same goes with justice. So, mananotice mo within this, bago matapos yung taon na to, Libra, marami kang makikitang synchronicity. Pwedeng makakita ka ng 11-11, 2-2-2, 6-6-6, what else pa? Pwedeng 12-12, 1-2-1-2, may synchronicity. 0-2-0-2, laging may synchronicity kang makikita. Kahit saan. Pwedeng sa phone, sa orasan, sa habang nag-scroll ka sa phone mo, may nakita ka numbers, laging may synchronicity. Baka ngayon, habang nakikinig ka sa akin, yung oras ay may synchronicity, no? So, ano ibig sabihin ito? Yung justice sa'yo, Libra, dati, ay na-delay. Hindi naging maayos. Pero, before the year 2025 ends, justice will prevail. Justice is on your side. And, it's a good judgment. Ayan o, si judgment. Okay, mukha lang siya nakasimangot, pero justice is on your side. Maganda. Maganda. Then now, we have the Hangman, but it's in reverse. Meaning, kung yung dati, you are in a reversal, or meaning, kung dati, you are in the Hangman, kumbaga dati hindi ka kumikibo, nagkukulong ka, ngayon hindi. Show it off ka talaga. Talagang, tapos ka na sa mga moment mo na nagpapahinga ka. Tapos ka na sa mga moment mo na na-stuck ka. Ngayon, Libra, congratulations, hindi ka na nakastuck ngayon. Ngayon, Libra, you can do what you're supposed to do. Kasi dati, what you're supposed to do, you cannot do it, even it was supposed for you to do it. Kasi nga parang merong hindrance, parang may balakid, parang merong nagpipigil. Pero ngayon, hindi. See, the Hangman is in reverse, meaning wala ka na dito sa position na to. Meaning, hindi ka na ngayon nagbabaka sakali o nagko-contemplate na to the point na parang nakastuck ka na lang. Ngayon, you can take actions on the things that you're supposed to do. Dati pa. Okay, now is the time. Let's say for example, kung legal property to. Kung yun dati, ang tagal-tagal mong hinuhulugan to, binabayaran mo, tapos ang tagal makuha sa'yo, ang daming problema nangyari. Ngayon, you will reclaim it, you will win on that, and then, mapapasayo na talaga, wala nang problema, all is good na. That will be happening. Okay? Kung sa love naman to, let's say, nagkaroon ng problem sa relationship nyo, naghiwalay kayo, and then, parang nagkaroon ng case, nagkasuhan kayo, ikaw yung mananalo doon. Lalo na kung may kinalaman to sa, kung yung case is parang, kung kanino ba dapat mapupunta yung guardianship, parang ganon. Lalo na kung babae ka, sa'yo naman talaga mapupunta kung mas bata sa'yo. I mean, kung mas bata, or kung bata yung tinutukoy, okay? So, Six of Pentacles. Ibig sabihin dito, Libra, hindi, yung mga bagay na makukuha mo ngayon, hindi to basta lang binigay din sa'yo ni universe dahil lang natutulog ka lang. You also work on this. Okay? Six of Pentacles, judgment nga, oh. So, meaning, you get what you deserve as well. Okay? You give something, and you also work on it. Hindi ka lang basta naghihintay. You also work on that. Tapos dito, if you would notice, justice, diba? Balance ka eh. It's really a Libra sign. Kaya masasabi ko, Libra talaga yung ang reading na to. Bakit kamo? Wala nang ibang zodiac pa. Libra talaga to. Why? Kasi nakikita mo naman sa mga symbol, oh. Balance is there. And there will be a balance happening in your life starting next year. Nakikita ko na Libra, simula itong November, December, yan na, nag-uumpisa na. And then, sa bagong taon, next year, sunod-sunod na yung blessing sa'yo. Sunod-sunod na yung balancing buhay na deserve mo. Kasi, you really work on that. Mukha ka lang maganda na walang pinagdaanan, pero hindi. Ang dami mong pinagdaanan at ang tagal mong na-stuck sa sitwasyon na yan. But, you never, hindi ka nagreklamo. Bagkos, ang ginawa mo ay, you work on it, you still give even you don't have anything na. You still kind even people are bad at you. You still show balance in every part of your life, even there's a lot of chaos. See? Kaya look at the judgment, look at your angel. Di ba parang inis na siya? Inip na siya eh. Inip na siya sa mga dapat na meron ka na. Inip na siya sa mga dapat na wala ka na doon at dapat nandito ka na. Pero dahil nga, again, that's life, no? There are people who will bring you down, but remember, justice will always there in your life. You are protected. In short, protected ka, Libra. So, maganda ang reading mo, Libra? Yes, maganda. But there is also like an assurance of you na magiging maganda hindi lang ngayon sa 2 buwan bago matapos ang 2025, kundi ito ang umpisa ng maganda mong buhay at sa mga susunod pang buwan at taon ng inyong buhay. So, Libra, napakaganda ng reading mo. As in. So, starting November, okay, which is malapit na din, November, December, mag-uumpisa na yung door of new beginning, a balanced life of yours. Mag-uumpisa na. And then next year, ayan na, sunod-sunod na. Hanggang sa mga susunod na taon. So, if you're praying for something good, like family, relationships, career, overall life, lalo na yung health, nakikita ko magiging maayos lahat. Okay? Just, ito lang kailangan mong gawin, Libra. Just stay what you have started. Huwag kang manghihina. Huwag kang susuko. Yun lang. Huwag kang susuko. Kasi andun ka na eh. Remember, today, this year is 2025. The life cycle 9. Meaning this is the end. And next year is 2026. It means 2 plus 2 is 4 plus 6 is 10. Equivalent to 1. The next year will be new beginning for everyone. Kaya nga, binasahan natin lahat ng zodiacs ngayon, di ba? So, it's a new beginning for everyone. And for you, Libra, specifically Libra, next year will be a new beginning for you in terms of all aspect of your life. Simula sa health, finances, relationships, and overall, lahat. it's a new beginning for you next year, Libra. Just, ito lang pinapasabi ni universe sa'yo. Just stay who you are. Just stay what you are. And stay where you are. No? Libra, huwag kang sumuko. Kasi you are no longer in the hangman energy. Tapos ka na doon sa nakastuck ka na lang. Okay? Upright ka na ngayon. I mean, you were in an upright position na nakatayo ka na. Hindi ka na nakabaliktad. You're not like this anymore. Dati kasi ganyan ka. Ngayon hindi na. Lahat na nakatingin at nakatayo. Lahat kita ang mukha. Though nakapikit pa to, kasi sometimes there are times na hindi okay, and that's okay. Kasi hindi naman laging okay. Pero at the beginning of November, up to the next years, and next years will pass by, maganda na lahat. Okay, Libra? So, stay lang. Kapit lang. Ang word sa'yo, kung sa ibang signs, may mga word akong sinasabi. Siguro sa'yo, kailangan mo, kapit lang. Because, actually, it's not the end is near. For you, is the beginning is near. Malapit na ang pagbabago sa iyong buhay. Libra. Okay? So, pero syempre, alam mo, Libra, dahil isa kang earth sign, hindi maiwasan yung mga thoughts. Pero, yun nga yung nagpatibay sa'yo. Yun nga ang naging reason bakit mo makakamtan lahat yan. Kasi, hindi ka sumuko. Together in the light. Okay, so message of life. Together in the light. I give thanks for all who enter my life. I understand we are all exactly who and where we are supposed to be. And everyone contributes to each other's personal growth. Every reaction someone draws from me is a gift from their soul to mine, meant to help free me from my inner conflicts. Today, by focusing on my own development rather than others' faults, I become one with the divine. So, you're no longer in this energy anymore. Or, probably, kung nandyan ka pa din, yun ang kailangan mo i-work or ayusin. Pero I could see na wino-work mo naman yun, Libra. Which is a good thing. Kung dati masyado kang nakafocus sa iba, yung para bang, bakit ganito yung lagi ko nakakasama sa buhay, ganito, itsura niya, ganito, ganyan. Ngayon, hindi ka na ganon. Parang, tinitignan mo na siya, ano kayang gustong ituro sa akin ni universe or ni God about dito? Ano kayang kailangan ko i-work sa sarili ko? Ganon ka na tumingin ngayon. Okay? So, together in the light nga, diba? So, meaning you are one with the divine. Sabi nga dito, we are supposed to be. So, you are supposed to be what? To be kind. To show kindness to everyone. Okay? Not just to those people na you love, but even those people na sometimes you are not cared of or sometimes hindi kayo okay. So, Libra, stay good to anyone, stay being good to anyone, and of course, be good to yourself, no? So, isa yung sa kailangan i-work din ng mga Libra being good to themselves. Love yourself. Okay? But not in a way na obsession. Pero, with the care of love, dapat. Okay? So, Libra, that's all your reading for today. Thank you, and I just want to say congratulations for every Libra in the world na makakaparinig nito. You deserve what you will have, the happiness, the success, the health, the relationships, the abundance, and all. So, thank you for listening, Libra. I know, hindi ganun kadali ang pinagdaanan ng lahat, pero sa huli, may panibagong bukas para sa ating lahat. So, Libra, thank you for listening, and we'll see you again in our next reading. Bye!